Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Wicked Crypto. Today, I'm going to touch on Bitcoin. So before we diving into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon as well. For my Patreon members, I already published a whole bunch of video. You can check it out. And let's talk about Bitcoin quickly. So I don't know if you still remember a few days ago when Bitcoin was at 10,300. Back then, that was probably, let's see, June 2nd. I already published a video suspecting there's a potential dump because you can see the BTC USD long position has been building up, and you can see the BTC USD long short position is not that remarkable. So that's why I'm suspecting once they liquidate the short position, there's no more need to pump, and then they will turn around to dump the price and liquidate the long position. So that's my take on it. That was published a few days ago, that video, and hopefully you take advantage of this. So another thing I want to talk about is this is an interesting article coming out. It's what would it mean to sustain a Bitcoin price at 100,000? That's mean you have to have 90 million worth of Bitcoin is absorbed every day. So that's mean people buying like 90 million worth of Bitcoin every day to sustain a price of 100,000. So do you think this is possible? That Bitcoin can go to 100,000? And do you think it's possible that there's a 90 million worth of Bitcoin to be absorbed every day by regular people or institution or any investor? And of course, a pretty brand, the long-term legendary investor. He used to be in the stock market and bond market, and he talked about it can reach 100,000 in the long term. For that to happen, the top cryptocurrency need to see consistent accumulation. And to remain stable at that price, investor has to invest 90 million basically every day. So is 90 million inflow in the Bitcoin on a daily basis is realistic? So right now, after the 2020 halving, miners can generate up to 900 BTC every day. If the price of Bitcoin reach 100,000, 900 BTC will be equivalent to 90 million. And data from Buy3 shows miners sold all the BTC they mined in the past week, likely to cover operational costs. But the thing is, some of the miners, they probably already have a future contract already. They already get into some type of future contract since June when the price at 14,000. Some very savvy miners, they probably already have some type of contract already. They already sold some of the Bitcoin in the future already. They already locked in a price of 14,000. Some of the miners. So not just they sell it like last week. There's more to it. So basically, you have to be consistent buying demand from retail investor, and basically assuming 10 million people worldwide buy Bitcoin on a regular basis, it will cost them $9 daily to sustain those price. So just basically you're buying coffee, more than $9 on a daily basis just to buy coffee. It's very easy. If you go to Starbucks, you buy one coffee, it's almost $5 to $6. If you buy two coffees, in the morning, during lunchtime, you already two coffees. It's way more than $10 already. So it could easily happen. I don't think it's not attainable. And also, hodler in the past 3 all-time high, they have not been selling their Bitcoin. It's almost 60% of the Bitcoin has not moved for more than 2 years. Maybe they're referring to whales, I guess. 60% of Bitcoin has not moved for more than 2 years in the Bitcoin wallet. And so you can see a lot of hodlers basically buying on the dips. And they consistently basically accumulate Bitcoin since the price flash crash 3,600 back in I think back in February, right? And February. Hopefully you guys accumulate some of those stuff in February and March. At the time people are so fearful, we should go and buy it. That is absolutely is necessary. Not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. It could go to zero as well. You never know. Don't invest in something that you cannot afford to lose. So what would it take to reach 100,000? And basically the market cap for 100,000 Bitcoin, market cap will go to 2.1 trillion, basically. That is around 25% of the market cap of gold. I mean, it's only 25% of the market cap of gold. I think is attainable. So another thing is like people see Bitcoin as the store of value, is like a digital gold. So I'm not surprised. Eventually, more people will know Bitcoin, and also with the uncertainty of the third world country like Venezuela, even China, they ban people from moving their money out of China. They probably using cryptocurrency to move the money out of China. So a high-ranking official with tons of money, they store their money basically in a house like filled with cash. Basically, that's insane. But they cannot get it out unless they use some type of cryptocurrency to get the money out. Otherwise, right now, they basically have a capital control in China right now. It's difficult to get money out of China. So in long term, I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin. And JP Morgan became the first major bank to reportedly open account for cryptocurrency exchange. And Grayscale also saw institutional activity in the first quarter of 2020. Well, institutional activity in the first quarter of 2020 could be the future contract. You never know. So may not be 100% bullish too, right? So you got to be grain of salt what they said. And let me know what you think. Do you think is 100,000 Bitcoin is attainable? Provided you have a 90 million worth of Bitcoin to be bought every day? Do you think this is feasible, or do you think this doesn't make sense? And also provided you have a market cap of 2.1 trillion. And let me know what you think. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. And of course, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and Patreon as well. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risks. Please use your due diligence. Peace out.